Are you looking for the right food to prevent diabetes naturally? Supercharge your meals with things like spinach and almonds, and skip the bacon. 1. Apples. An apple a day can keep diabetes away. Apples, especially green ones, are naturally low in sugar and high in fiber. They help to balance blood sugar and keep you full. 2. Spinach. To help prevent diabetes, look for fresh foods low in carbs like spinach. While even veggies have carbs, spinach is one of the lowest and is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Prep some hearty spinach salads for your lunches for the week, or toss some fresh spinach in your morning smoothie to start the day off right. 3. Almonds. Do you crave salty, crunchy snacks in the afternoon? Beat that 4 p.m. slump and avoid the work vending machine by keeping lightly salted almonds in your desk drawer. Almonds are high in healthy fats and fiber to keep you full and crush cravings. Having a small serving of nuts, like this nutty berry trail mix, can prevent you from snacking later on. 4. Black beans. While beans can be high in carbs, a small portion is worth it for their high amounts of fiber and protein. Eating high-fiber foods like beans can balance your blood sugar and prevent heart disease. Whip up an easy, healthy dinner tonight with black bean soup and a side of sliced bell peppers and guacamole. 5. Lentils. Break out the slow cooker, it's lentil soup night. Lentils are incredibly high in fiber to keep your heart healthy and digestive tract moving along. A bowl of lentil soup is low in calories and will keep you full all night long, too. Try pairing it with a small whole wheat roll and a hearty salad. 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are a tasty superfood that can prevent just about any disease. That's because they're rich in antioxidants and vitamins for a healthy body and glowing skin. They're also low in natural sugar, so they can satisfy your sweet cravings without spiking your blood sugar. Try whipping up your own healthy dessert with this frozen Greek vanilla yogurt topped with plenty of juicy blueberries. 7. Carrots. Carrots won't just help your eyesight, they'll prevent diabetes as well. Carrots are low in carbs and starch while providing natural sweetness. They're rich in fiber and vitamins A and C to keep you healthy and balance blood sugar. Try roasting baby carrots for an easy side dish, or whipping up this sweet and tangy carrot raisin salad. 8. Whole wheat pasta. Just because you're watching your carbs doesn't mean you have to give up one of life's greatest pleasures, fresh pasta. Skip white pasta and opt for whole grain varieties to keep the fiber and nutrients. Healthify your pasta night with whole wheat pasta and cheesy cauliflower breadsticks.